Banana flour for gestational diabetes. Gestational diabetes is a condition occurred during pregnancy. The only symptom of this condition is the elevation of the blood sugar level. After the baby is born, the amount of glucose in the mother's organism becomes normal. This is happening especially during the 3rd month of the pregnancy. The elevation of blood sugar in the organism of the mother is lead to an elevation of sugar in the baby organism. Therefore, babies born from women with gestational diabetes are larger and bigger than normal. The explanation of this is that the glucose in the blood of the mother is passing through the placenta and goes directly to the bloodstream of the baby. In this way, the baby has more glucose than it needed, and for that reason, it becomes bigger than normal. Mothers who are suffering from gestational diabetes are at higher risk for developing diabetes type 2 in the future. These are several ways which are suitable for women with gestational diabetes to control their blood sugar level during pregnancy. The first one of them is to take medication prescribed by their doctors. These medications are anti-diabetic drugs which stimulates the secretion of insulin. Now let us prepare delicious recipe with banana flour. For this recipe, take banana flour and chop it into fine pieces. Banana flour, onion, cooking oil, coconut powder, turmeric, curry leaves, mustard seeds, and salt. Now let's start the process. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, let the oil boil, add 1/4 tablespoon of mustard seeds, curry leaves, onions, and fry for some time. Now add finely chopped banana flour. Add some salt, turmeric powder, pour some water, cover it with a lid and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can open the lid and check the curry in between and allow it to cook properly. Now add coconut powder and mix well. Banana flour curry is ready. It is so yummy, delicious and healthy. By taking this, you can cure gestational diabetes. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.